Hello everyone, it is Mattman speaking. I am making this video to promote Dairy Queen's new Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard for the new Superman movie. In theaters now. It is very good. I know I haven't made a video recently, but I thought this is important enough to make. So, how is the new ice cream? Quite a few flavors in here. It tastes like a chocolate cake almost, in ice cream form. And it also comes with fries, to dip it in. The more money this Superman movie makes, the closer we get a Batman movie, and therefore a new Batman trilogy. So, in conclusion, Dairy Queen's Superman Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard is a perfect treat to eat after watching James Gunn's Superman movie.